if you want to know what a man's true intentions are, then the key is to do less. You don't need to text him first all the time. You don't need to initiate plans for the day. You don't need to cook for him, get him gifts, or shower him with praise, just so that he knows that you're interested. This can actually put you in a more confusing situation. Why? Because when you're leading the relationship and you're always the first one to come forward, what happens is that a man will simply respond to you when you're leaning forward with your actions. Now, a man responding to you does not guarantee that he is actually interested in you or that he even desires a relationship with you, because responding is easy. And initiating, showing active interest, that takes a little bit of effort. And you want to ensure that the man that you're dating is actually willing to put in the effort, because then you'll know that you're actually worth it to him. That's the type of man that you want. So if you want clarity on a man's intentions, then you need to lean back, be patient, and watch how much effort he's willing to make without doing it all yourself.